So today we are learning the next lecture in effective Dart. It is regarding do start doc comments with a single sentence summary. So for example, we have to start our doc comment with a brief user-centric description ending with a period, that is a full stop. A sentence fragment is often sufficient. So a small sentence like this. Provide just enough context for the reader to orient themselves and then decide if they should keep reading or look elsewhere for the solution to their problem. So basically, if we have like a huge sentence like this, like where the period is in like and in between something there are two sentences, for example. So in this kind of documentation, basically the end user has to keep on reading till the fourth line to understand what it means and whether this delete function will be useful for them for their purpose or not. But in this one we get like straight go ahead that okay, this function does this and it will be useful or not. So let's read these two statements and try to make out some meaning out of them. So first is good is deletes the file at path from file system. So this is the variable path from the file system. Okay, whatever is the path provided in the argument. So it is very clear and concise that whatever path you provide, the file at that particular path will be deleted from our file system. That's all. Now it is writing this whole thing depending on the state of the file system and the user's permissions. Certain operations may or may not be possible. If there is no file at path or it cannot be accessed, this function throws either IO error or permission, otherwise it deletes the file. So basically the whole crux of the thing is basically deletes the file that is written at the end, and first the whole like background and history of it is written basically here. So a user need not go through all of this if the most important thing should be in the beginning, at least if it's not the only thing present there. If you actually want to write these things, then it can be following it, but the point that it deletes, this function helps us to delete a file at this given path, that should come first. So yeah, hope you understood. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you, friends.